With our 3D printing, it is possible to transform abstract concepts in science and mathematics into concrete, plastic, visuals, to help students to understand complex structure quickly and clearly. New ideas can be printed out within minutes, students can design their own work, and see the tangible products immediately. 3D printing is the most disruptive technology of 21st century, is now available also for schools. It can enhance, literally, every classroom, by adding aspects of practical learning and creativity. We are helping schools to mold the innovators of the future by empowering them when they are young. 3D printing technology has come a long way in recent years, and it's really started to mature in terms of its capabilities and real-world applications. During the next 5 years, 3D printing is well positioned to begin to revolutionize manufacturing processes and methodologies worldwide. Skyrim Innovation is working on major key factors to define the future growth of 3D printing, namely, improving printer capabilities, broadening applications, new print tools, and raw materials advance.